an enthusiastic young Somali from Nashville, Tennessee. He came to Columbus for the first time last weekend on March 30th, 2013. He came to Ohio specifically for the Somali Soccer tournament. Like hundreds of other Somalis who were in Ohio, Hussein was able to intermingle with other youths. When asked about the games, Hussein replied, "It is a great mixture, that is why I am impressed by this." In a short time in the city, Hussein quickly made friends and was eager to be part of the events for the weekend. Like many other Somalis in the Diaspora, Hussein had a story to share, a story that he was eager to tell. Hussein was uprooted from Somalia before his first birthday. For the next 20 years, he lived in Dadaab refugee camp in the northeastern province in Kenya. Dadaab, which is approximately 62 miles from the Somali border, is considered to be one of the largest refugee camps in the world, with over 500,000 people. Despite the harsh conditions of the camp, Hussein worked to better himself and help others. He has been active within the camp and worked with various international organizations. His commitment and work ethic has already made the difference among many refugees in the camp. While in Columbus, Hussein was able to interact with